My journey started out in 2012, in December of 2012. I went in for I'd had a clean mammogram, 5 months prior to, and was just having some issues and felt a little discomfort, and went back in and asked for an ultrasound. And at that appointment, I was taken in and told that I had breast cancer.
When I was in 8th grade, she was diagnosed with breast cancer. It was a pretty difficult time and confusing time for my brother and I. We had no idea the capacity of what a breast cancer diagnosis meant. We'd never been exposed to something like that. So we had to really try to learn and understand what my mom was going through, and all we could do was really be there to support her.
So I called work and said, they're wanting to do a biopsy. They just told me I have breast cancer. Our office manager, Jennifer, just dropped everything and came over to the breast center and sat in the waiting room while they did the biopsy. And never did we think that I was going to be one of our patients with breast cancer at 46 years old.
Nobody ever wants to watch a loved one go through that kind of pain and suffering. My mom is one of the strongest people I know, and I really think that her experience with breast cancer brought us closer together, and I could fully understand what she was going through. She is a rock star and one of the greatest role models, and although it wasn't ideal for me to watch her go through that, she presented the best example of overcoming challenges and facing your battles head on.
We see breast cancer patients every day in our office. I schedule surgeries for them, walk them through the journeys, but this time it was me. So our office was seeing another side to that, as they had to walk this journey with me. I went through 9 surgeries, chemo, radiation, trips to MD Anderson, and I am happy to say that I'm 9 years cancer-free. As we get into October, it's very important to us to just make patients aware of making sure you get your mammograms. If you have dense breasts, make sure that you get an ultrasound mammogram to find your cancer early.